Alright, I know I haven't done an update on this in a while. You can see it's day 162. You can see the Genovese basil and the Thai basil here. They're all growing like crazy. The mint as well. You can see the mint's actually getting these interesting little prickly flower thingies. Okay. And the dill is kind of just growing behind there, doing its best to survive. And yeah, anyways, let's go outside and look at the tomatoes. Alright, so here you can see the tomatoes. You can see this one has so many, I just watered them. Alright. Look at that giant tomato. Look at that. It's so big for these type of tomatoes. That's pretty big. I'll probably leave that on the vine, we'll see, because I am water fasting, so I can't eat it yet. So I'm just gonna leave them there. We got this one as well, all those tomatoes growing there. One of those look ready, the other one's almost ready. And then the one that's just a little stump, this tomato actually looks pretty much good to go. And yeah, not really much else. It does have all these little leaves on it, so it's growing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the update for today, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.